A vacation to the Netherlands during spring is highly recommended, regardless of your travel experience or desire just to get away from the grind of daily existence. So today we're counting down our picks for the best spring destinations in the Netherlands. Here, you can discover something unique, from the verdant tulip fields to the exciting windmills. But before we begin, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on my next uploads. Now, let's get into it. Starting off the list at number 7 is Tulip Fields. Travelers come to the Netherlands in the spring to witness the country's magnificent fields of multicolored tulips in bloom. The country is well known for its stunning tulip fields. The ideal time to visit the tulip fields is when the bulbs are in full bloom, which is between March and May, with more than 400 distinct kinds to select from. Tulips are native to every area of the Netherlands. The towns of Noordwijk and Noordwijkerhout are regarded as some of the best locations to view tulips. If you have a day to spare, think about riding your bike from the beach resort of Katwijk via the flower fields of Noordwijk. This schedule is ideal for a sunny day and is an eco-friendly method of assisting nearby tulip farmers. Numerous farms, like Tulparage, also offer paid tulip trips. You can also check in at the Alexander Hotel in Noordwijkerhout, where you can stay amid the sea and the F fields. Next at number 6 is Dutch countryside. Although it's a lovely destination to visit all year round, the Dutch countryside is particularly lovely in the spring. It's the time the cows can go outdoors again and watch them jumping and playing with one another, to which they refer to as cow dance or koeindans. Also, you will witness the lambs rushing to their mother to get milk as they play together in the fields. It's a moment of magic. For this reason, the Netherlands has springtime like no other place you've ever gone, so you must definitely experience it. One of the greatest locations to visit is the Keukenhof Gardens, which is well known for its floral gardens, and each year has a different theme. But for a distinctive cultural experience, you may also visit the Dutch Open Air Folklore Festival and the Okmarches Market in the countryside. Let's continue with number 5, outdoor festivals. The long list of festivals in the Netherlands shows the Dutch people's love of partying. While Amsterdam hosts the majority of the country's main dance music festivals, nearby cities like Breda have their own distinct Dutch festivities that you won't find anywhere else. In the spring, you may go to the Holland Festival to see a play, listen to live music, and take in the stunning tulips. Another yearly event in the seaside city of Rotterdam that is well worth going to during your spring break is the North Sea Jazz Festival. Also, a fantastic festival where you may take in the local culture is the Photo Festival, held in the city of Zwolle. Next at number 4 is exploring Dutch cuisine. Food lovers will enjoy discovering the world-renowned, delicious Dutch food. During your spring break, you may savor some of the greatest cuisines in the Netherlands, which is known for its cheese and pastries. Try some of the various delicacies from the Netherlands, such as stroopwafels, kaassouffel, bitterballen, and Dutch pancakes. To taste and even learn how to create Dutch pancakes, head over to the Pancake Boat in Amsterdam. You may also go to the Amsterdam Brewery and sample some of the well-known Dutch beers, such as Grolsch, Bavaria, and Heineken. Another option is to go to the Dutch Cheese Museum in The Hague, where you may sample cheese and learn about the history of the industry. Coming in at number 3 on the list is the open-air markets. The lively culture and rich past of the Netherlands may be enjoyed engagingly and enjoyably by visiting their open-air markets. The Bloemenveiling Alsmeer Flower Auction, the Hoogstraat Market, and the Beurs van Berlage Market are the Netherlands' 3 most well-known outdoor marketplaces. In the spring, You may visit these marketplaces and take in the vivid hues of the flowers, as well as the national culture. The Amsterdam Open Air Flower Market is another place you should go to see flowers from all over the world. Next, at number 2 on the list is Canals of Amsterdam. During this time of the year, a visit to Amsterdam's well-known canals is highly recommended. The Amsterdam Tulip Cruise, which takes place in the early spring, offers a tulip-themed boat that is bursting with color and flowers. You may appreciate the vivid hues of the tulips by going to the Amsterdam Tulip Festival, which is held in the spring. There's also the Magerbrug Bridge, popularly referred to as the Skinny Bridge, which is the ideal location for photos of the canals because of its distinctive construction. Before we go to the top of this list, be sure to like this video. If you want to know more about traveling, I have more videos about it that you can check on the channel. While you're at it, please subscribe. Don't be shy to click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future uploads. And now, the number 1 on the list is visiting the windmills. People all over the world love the Netherlands' beautiful windmills, which are used to grind wheat and other foods. In the spring, you can go to a few of these windmills and see for yourself how beautiful this historical site is. If you want to see windmills in the spring, Saint-Chans is the best place to go. It has one of the best preserved mills in the country. Andy Hogegaard has 5 working windmills. Alsmeer Flower Auction is another place you can go. It is one of the biggest flower sales in the world. There you go, those are the best spring destinations in the Netherlands. Don't hesitate to include these things in your itinerary for the best spring experience. Again, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. Do you agree with our picks? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.